Karma Cheský Brod, the producer of domestic wall-hung heaters, instantaneous water heaters and steam cookers, is situated only a few tens of kilometers east of Prague, the Czech Republic's capital. The firm has been in existence from the beginning of the 20th century. Gas appliances for Czech households were at that time supplied entirely by foreign firms such as Siemens and Junkers. In 1910, the entrepreneur Karel Macháček established a small factory in Prague Vysočany and started to produce an assortment of high-quality gas appliances to be marketed under the name of Karma, i.e. the initial syllables of his name. He thus became the first Czech producer of gas appliances. Continuously rising demand led him to build a big modern plant in Cheský Brod, which is the current location of Karma. For a period of time, the company was forced to relinquish the name of Karma. But in 1992, the name of its successful founder was proudly taken up again to reflect the desire of the new management to build on the reputation of Karel Macháček and to use it as a benchmark against which its products can be set. The manufacture of appliances starts in the press shop, where the individual parts get their shape. The components are very carefully designed to ensure ease of manufacture and compact functionality and are processed on presses with a capacity of up to 250 tons. At the tool store, almost 300 different types of tools are at the disposal of the press shop's workers, whose task is to initiate the first processing of the individual types of products. As a matter of interest, one type of appliance requires up to 80 tools for its assembly. Part of the semi-finished products processed in the press shop then goes to the enameling shop for its basic treatment. The combustion chambers of the appliances are enameled on both sides. Dripped and dry parts are then treated in furnaces at a temperature of 860 degrees Celsius. The paint shop is equipped with the most modern technological facility for the surface treatment of the appliance covering parts. Here the individual parts are treated by powdered plastic paints. The powdered plastic paints are characterized by color fastness and by high thermal resistance. Above all, they are environmentally safe. After being painted, they are then treated at the furnace at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. The producer uses 3 standard colors for the surface treatment of appliances. Other color finishes can be ordered by the user.
U výrobce na zakázku.
The appliances get their final appearance on the assembly line. Here they are completed and fitted with regulation systems of top international brands such as SIT, Junkers and others. In the shipping department, the appliances are packed into cardboard boxes with reinforcements to prevent any external damage during transportation and handling on the way to the user. The alpha line of flow-through water heaters, supplied together with a flue gas exhaust pipe into the chimney, can heat up to 10 liters of water per minute. A version without exhaust pipe, with a maximum heating capacity of 5 liters of water per minute, exhausts waste gases into the room. The series of beta gas-fired space heaters represent the main line of the Karma range of appliances. They are designed for balanced flue operation, while the version Gamma utilizes a conventional flue, allowing you to select the version you need to suit the site conditions. The output of the appliances varies from 2 to 5 kilowatts for the Beta series and from 3 to 5 kilowatts for the Gamma brand appliances. Their operation is initiated by a piezoelectric igniter. They are equipped with fuses and a draft sensor in order to ensure safety in service. The appliances are suitable for use with all types of gas used in Europe. The whole manufacturing process runs under strict environmental control. Liquid emissions are neutralized, extract air is filtered, and groundwater is treated. Finally, we shall follow through the installation of a series beta heater. Fasten the suspension bracket on the wall and mark out on the wall the hole for the balanced flue and 3 fixing holes for mounting the heater. Care should be taken that the bottom horizontal part of the suspension sheet is exactly level. Measure the thickness of the wall through which the balanced flue will pass and shorten the air pipe as described in the manufacturer's instructions. Now fasten the basket flange on the holes in the air pipe by means of 3 screws and nuts. Fit it in the prepared hole and brick it in. Care should be taken that the pipe slopes a maximum of 1 to 2 degrees upwards from the heater. Make sure that the basket flange is firmly forced to the outer side of the wall up to a dead stop. Fit the support bracket on the part of the pipe which is projecting from the wall into the room and screw it into the prepared fixings. Fit the 2 pieces of the aluminum yoke over the air pipe so that it fits firmly against the suspension bracket. Do not over-tighten, otherwise the pipe will be deformed. Check that the pipe protrudes from the yoke about 3 to 5 millimeters into the room. Introduce the coupling with a screw and nut into the cutout of the suspension sheet. The air pipe part of the flue system is now prepared and we can proceed with the suspension of the heater. Take down the cover. On the rear wall of the heater, slide on the sealing ring, ensuring 100% tightness. Slide the inner part of the heater by its bottom part into the suspension sheet and tilt it toward the wall. Whilst tilting, simultaneously push through the coupling screw and by means of the nut tighten the heater to the suspension sheet. From the outside we insert the flue pipe into the air pipe, ensuring that it is correctly slid into the spigot inside the heater. Fasten the end with the screws provided to the air pipe. The terminal basket is then fitted on the basket flange. Finally, fit the cover of the heater and connect the heater to the gas distribution pipe. Karma appliances are suitable for water heating and household heating systems, lunchrooms, common rooms, or social facilities. They continue to guarantee high quality and reliability as they have for customers of the Czech Republic for the last 90 years.